Hi, I'm Lori Taylor Davis, Global Pro Lead Artist here at Smashbox Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to introduce our new Always On Cream Eyeshadow, velvety shades of gorgeousness.
Primer infused for all-day wear.
Take a look.
I'll be using Smashbox Always On Cream Shadow in the shade GREIGE. It comes in this perfectly sized tube. I can take it with me anywhere. I'll use my hand as a palette, and actually for today, I'm even going to be using my fingers to paint this onto my lids. As you can see, just a little small amount will go such a long way. Let me show you. So we're going to start in on the inner corner towards the lash line and blend it out. So creamy and velvety. And bring it up towards the brow bone. How far up you go is up to you. And I love that it's gonna dry to matte, so I know it's gonna stay on all day. This always on vegan formula made so easy, even as it's drying into matte, it's still velvety and soft to the touch, and it feels super lightweight on my face. To finish off the look, I'm gonna put on some Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I love the finished look. It was so easy to apply, and I love what this color is doing for my eyes.